everyone's doing great. I just realized that I haven't made any introductory video, so today's video will be about me. So it'll be a brief introduction about me. So enjoy the video. Please watch the video up till the end. Today I'll also be talking about the various bikes I had before, and I'll put up a few pictures of them.
ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ.
Hi, hello everyone. I hope you guys have just seen a short clip of me. I just tried something. So by that I think all of you would have understood. Howದು ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಘು ಅಂತ. My name is Raghu and my age is 21. By profession I am studying right now. I am a law student. I think all of you know, whoever watched my previous videos. I'm a sports person as well from very young age. Like at 6th standard I started playing basketball and I've continued it till my degree. With that I've been playing badminton and cricket recently. Badminton I've played for around 2 to 3 years, and we used to play at a club before. That was the Creative Sports Club. Now I'm playing cricket presently. That's going on, and I hope to start playing badminton again, because here around I'm not able to find any good places to play badminton. So once I find it, yeah, I'll be going there. What more do I tell about me? I also ride bikes. In the future part of the video you'll see which all bikes I had. I mean, I had 3 bikes, so you'll be seeing which are those bikes. And I've currently done 3 bike rides. I mean, short ones I've done many, but 3 proper bike rides. One is to Kannur, Kerala, and the other one that was on my Classic 500, and one more is the Virajpet, which was on my RTR Apache RTR 200, and another Mysore Mandya trip, which was also done on my Classic 500. Got a parcel from one of my friends. I mean, one of them ordered it for me. It's a surprise for me apparently. Let's see what it is. I'll show you the unboxing right now. Okay, now let's start talking about the bikes. I have put in a small video where you can see all my bikes. Just look through it and then I'll see you guys after the video. So my first bike was Royal Enfield Classic 500. That was a gift for me from my parents for my 18th birthday in the year 2017, and I had ridden it for 20,000 kilometers. The rides I had done on that bike was the Kannur trip, which was around 370 to 380 kilometers one way. We had gone for 2 days, me and another friend. His name is Ashwin. He had a Thunderbird 350 that time, and he had come on that. So that was a really nice ride, and the bike performed really well on that ride. And then after that I kept going for small rides here and there, nothing that big. And I had ridden it around 15 to 20 kilometers, 15 to 20,000 kilometers by then. And then I shifted over from the Royal Enfield to TVS Apache RTR 200. This shift was basically because the Enfield gave me some problems like the clutch issues, the EFI issues, and all that came up. And to get that repaired and get it back to run like really good running conditions, I was like just go for the next better bike, because that was pretty old as well. It was I think 2015 model. So when it's already that old, and it was BS3. I mean, BS3 Royal Enfields had their own. Still have their own fan base. Like the sound and all is not matched by any of the present Royal Enfield bikes. But yeah, I shifted over to the RTR 200. Now the RTR 200, I bought it brand new in August 2019, and I had driven around 6,000 kilometers. And the only trip I did on this bike was the Virajpet trip. So the Virajpet trip was again for I think 3 days with the same person with whom I had gone on the Kannur trip. And yeah, that trip was also really good. I liked the bike, I liked the performance of the bike, but then it was always in my head that Royal Enfield, like I shifted from Royal Enfield, and once I drove the Royal Enfield, like I couldn't match it with this. Probably I could have it as a secondary bike, but I don't have that much. I don't have that much income right now to get a secondary bike as such. Like that's also my parents' income itself. So and then came the in 2020 July, I sold the Apache RTR 200, and then I bought the present Thunderbird 350X. I was actually searching for Royal Enfield at that point. I was keen on 500 itself, and then looking at all the figures like the mileage on the 500 and all that, I decided to go for 350 or Himalayan. And then when I went into the market to search for all these, this bike was appealing and it looked good, and I felt like this, and my parents also liked it. My dad liked this bike more than the Himalayan, so I thought, okay, fine, I'll just go for the Thunderbird 350X, and that's how this came in. And this is the 2018 model, dual disc without ABS. On this bike, I haven't done any big rides as such. In the future, I might do it probably sometime next to next week or something like that. I'll just do a ride to my native and come back. And then short rides, recently before this lockdown, I had been to a dam near Biddi with two of my college friends. One of them has a Interceptor and one of them has a Classic 350. I'll make you meet them someday. I'll show you their bikes, I'll review their bikes as well. So yeah, right now I'm with my Royal Enfield Thunderbird 350X, and it's really good. Like it's a really good bike. You have minimum vibrations, not as much as BS6, but yeah, the BS4, this bike specifically has really less vibrations compared to the Classic. If you compare to the Classic, this has really less vibrations, and when you're going at high speeds, you don't get to know that the bike is vibrating a lot unless and until you look into the mirror or anything as such. Yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Hope you like this. Please do like, share, and comment your thoughts on the vlog, on today's vlog. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.